in the shadows where I battle my fears.
The ultimate system update, Sobriety.
Welcome to the Remastered edition of Absolutely Focused Radio and Podcast. I'm your host, Daniel Nelson, aka Thabudd, your sobriety buddy. This episode has been upgraded and fine-tuned to bring you even more insight, motivation, and clarity. Joining me today, we've got the Sobriety crew, Jane Marie, who will hit us with the latest facts and stats, Marcus, the motivator, bringing powerful inspiration, and of course, we're keeping things fresh with some tech humor, because sobriety, it's the ultimate system update for your mind, body, and soul. So let's kick off this journey together, because change starts here.
The system update analogy.
Alright, let me ask you something. How often do you update your phone or computer? We do it all the time, right? To fix bugs, remove glitches, and improve security. Now, imagine if you never updated your phone. Your apps would crash, your battery would drain, and eventually, your phone, useless. Wow, sobriety works the same way. It's an upgrade that clears the clutter, repairs what's broken, and sets you up for peak performance. And listen to this. Jane, hit 'em with some facts.
Jane Marie. Facts and stats.
Daniel, did you know? According to the World Health Organization, approximately 2.6 million deaths each year are attributable to alcohol consumption. WHO.int. That's about 4.7% of all global deaths. And alcohol is linked to over 200 health conditions, including liver diseases and various cancers. WHO.int. But here's the bright side. People who quit drinking often experience improved mental clarity and reduced anxiety levels within just 1 month. ColumbiaPsychiatry.org.
Wow, 2.6 million deaths? That's like losing a major city every single year. And the improvement in mental clarity and reduced anxiety after just a month. That's a real upgrade. But here's the real question. Why do so many people hesitate to install this life-changing update? Let's talk about that.
The debugging process.
When I started my own sobriety journey, I realized alcohol was like a malicious app running in the background. It was draining my energy, overheating my system, slowing down my ability to process emotions. And worst of all, it wasn't fixing anything. I was using alcohol to mask my problems instead of addressing them.
Marcus the motivator. Inspiration.
Let me jump in real quick, Daniel. People hold on to drinking like it's their auto-save feature, thinking it protects them from pain. But guess what? Real security doesn't come from running. It comes from building a strong firewall. You want to stay protected? You've got to remove the viruses. You've got to debug your life.
Absolutely, Marcus. Spot on. And that's why I started reprogramming my habits. That's when I created my liver-loving salad and my sobriety recipe book. Because listen, your body needs a reset. Here's a quick recipe for you. Spinach, rich in antioxidants. Beets, supports liver function. Parsley aids in detoxification. It's like a factory reset for your liver.
What you gain when you quit.
Now listen, people always focus on what they lose when they quit drinking. But let's talk about what you gain.
Jane Marie. facts and stats.
Daniel, check this out. Here's what happens within weeks of quitting alcohol. 1. Mental clarity. No more brain fog. You think sharper. React faster. 2. Physical health. Your liver starts healing, your heart gets stronger, and your immune system? Enhanced. 3. Real relationships. Alcohol can cloud judgment. Sobriety clears the way for genuine connections. 4. Financial savings. The average person spends a significant amount annually on alcohol. Imagine investing that in yourself.
Marcus the Motivator. Inspiration.
And the biggest gain? Self-respect. Sobriety proves to you that you are worthy of a better life. And that's priceless.
How to stay on track.
Alright, so now you're thinking about installing the update. But how do you make it stick? Here's how. Step 1. Change your environment. Surround yourself with people who support your growth. Step 2. Educate yourself. Utilize resources like books, podcasts, and therapy to strengthen your mindset. Step 3. Build healthy habits. Incorporate exercise, nutrition, and new routines into your daily life.
Closing remarks.
Alright, I want to leave you with one of my affirmations from 77 Affirmations of Sobriety. I am proud of my progress, and I embrace today with a clear mind and open heart. If this remastered episode spoke to you, share it with someone who needs it. Sobriety is the ultimate system update. Stay awesome, stay blessed, and always smile on purpose, because you are the purpose. This is Daniel Nelson, aka Thabudd, signing off.
Like this darkness, I find my way. Focus, vision, guiding. Come what may. Focus, vision, can't lose sight. Rising up stronger, ready to fight. Every struggle turns me to gold. A journey of fire, watch my soul unfold. Focus, vision, I'm breaking free. This is my story, just wait and see.